You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. Employers only handle the money, it is the customer who pays the wages. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Vision without execution is just hallucination. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Don't find fault, find a remedy. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year.